Tired of flat animations? Let's breathe some life into them with a captivating, realistic smoke effect in Adobe Animate CC. First, open Adobe Animate CC and create a new document. Set your stage size and frame rate. We'll start with the foundation, the smoke particle itself. Select the oval tool and draw a small, irregular shape. Now, choose a light gray or white for the fill. This will be the core color of our smoke. Then, convert this shape into a graphic symbol. Name it smoke_particle. Double-click on the symbol to enter it. Within the symbol, duplicate the oval a few times and change the shape slightly by nudging the vertices with the selection tool. This adds some unique variation to each particle. Experiment with different sizes. Head back to your main scene now. We'll create our particle system. Go to Window and select Advanced Layer Effects. Choose a new layer, labeling it smoke. Drag and drop the smoke_particle to the layer. With the particle selected, navigate to the Filter tab in Advanced Layer Effects. Change the setting from none to blur. Set the blur values. These settings will determine how fluffy our smoke will be. In the same panel, select Advanced. Click the To add an effect. We will adjust the settings for the rotation, position and scale. Use the Randomize option. Duplicate the smoke particle several times along the timeline. Use the free Transform tool to alter the size, position, and rotation of each particle. This is key to creating the look of smoke billowing. To enhance the effect, select the blend mode of the smoke layer to alpha. This will make your smoke appear more transparent. Also, consider adding a background for the smoke to stand out. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a dynamic smoke effect in Adobe Animate CC. Experiment with different settings, colors, and shapes to achieve your desired look. You can now enhance your animations with smoky ambience.